Hello, this is Gada7, and today I'll be teaching you about disassembly projects for the Wii and GameCube. While what I say is for the Wii and GameCube, a lot of this information can be taken and applied to other systems as well. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to set up Ghidra. Now I have the Ghidra public here, and you're going to need to download the Gamecube Loader, and you're going to need to download the Gekko Broadway lang right here, and I'll show you how to install those in a second. So I'm just going to put everything in my folder here and rename that. Alright, there we go. So first thing we need to do is get Ghidra ready. So first you extract as you would, then you'll have your Ghidra folder here. Alright, I'm just going to put that in this folder and remove that and remove the zip as well. And then once you are done, you'll run Ghidra run depending on your platform. I'm on Windows, so it's a .bat. I recommend using Windows for the compilation projects, as a lot of them require some Windows compilers. And you'll see that I do actually have Ghidra set up. Now normally what it would do is it would ask you where you want your where JDK is, and for me it's C/program files x86 and it's JDK 11. That's how it is for me, but you're going to need to go ahead and install the JDK manually. I'll give you a link in the description to do that. But anyways, once you got the JDK installed and Ghidra running, what I'm going to show you to do is install the Gekko Broadway lang. So this actually tells you how to do it here. So what you need to do is you copy all the files from data, languages, and you copy this into Ghidra processors. So we have Ghidra processors, PowerPC, data, languages, and then we just slap that in there. And there we go, Gekko Broadway lang installed. And now we need to install the dual loader extension. My bad, you're actually going to want to download the release for your version. I'm using Ghidra 9.1.2, so I'm going to go here, download this release, and then I'm just going to put it in the extensions folder. Well, then drag that one to Ghidra. You can see it has all this stuff in here. It's cool. So then once you have the extension installed, you want to run Ghidra. And now you want to go to install extensions, and you want to check Gamecube Loader, hit OK. It'll want you to restart Ghidra. Do so. And congratulations, you got Ghidra all set up. Now we will go into using this in the future, but this is how you set up Ghidra for GameCube and Wii. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all later.